Hello everybody, Sorin here. Welcome to our first video and first lecture from this class on how to use Amazon Video Direct to build an online business in which you practically sell your videos into Amazon's online huge marketplace. I wanted to have like a short brief introduction to the course for you guys before diving into the actual information so you can have the best learning experience possible. So let's go. Introduction to the course. First of all, congratulations for joining the course. I am very excited and very glad that you have decided to be here with me, and I can assure you 100% that you won't be disappointed. In this course, you'll see exactly how you can use Amazon Video Direct for yourself to start building an online business out of selling video into Amazon's marketplace. Now, like a short brief introduction, exactly like I've told you before, how to go through the course. This is the purpose of this very short lecture right here. So first of all, what you need to know is that right now we are in section number 1. So the course is structured in 3 sections. Right now we are in section number 1. So you are here. We will have a short introduction for the course, how the course is structured, what you should know before going through the whole course. Why to start this business model. So this is very important to get you motivated, to get you excited, to get you to take action, because this is a ground zero opportunity, guys. So Amazon Video Direct was just launched. It's actually very hot right now. So it's a very new opportunity, a ground zero opportunity. And some things that you need to know before starting. Okay, there aren't things that are deal breakers or stuff like that, but there are things that you need to keep in mind and know from the beginning before you start this business model. Okay, then we will go to section number 2. Okay, and in section number 2 we'll talk about how to set up an account on Amazon Video Direct, what types of videos we can use and how to publish them, how to prepare your graphics key, because you will need to prepare that for your videos too, how to create your captions. Captions are mandatory to publish videos on Amazon Video Direct, and you will see exactly how you can create them here in this section. And finally, how to publish and monetize your videos on Amazon Video Direct. And then comes section number 3, which is our finish line. We will have conclusions, okay, of the course, of what we have talked throughout the whole course. Future opportunities for you guys related to Amazon Video Direct or maybe other platforms that will emerge in the future. And a bonus lecture that I'm sure you guys will going to love. I have a surprise for you there, so be sure to check out the bonus lecture too. That's about it, guys. So that's how the course is structured. Now some recommendations of my own for you guys to how to go through the course for your best learning experience. First of all, in the beginning, go through the whole course. So it's better to focus step by step on each of the sections, on each of the lectures, than just jump to one lecture and then to another and then to another. First of all, go through the whole course so you can have an overview of everything that is happening. Afterwards, if needed, go back to a particular lecture. Use the question dashboard to ask me anything. So do not hesitate if you have any unclarities or things like that to ask them in the question dashboard or private message me. But I would prefer the question dashboard, especially if you think that it's something of an general interest that might help other people. Please use the question dashboard. Okay. Now, obviously, in the end, you will see that after you have started this video, the introductory lecture, a pop-up will appear to you with a review, okay, to leave a review and stuff like that. But I would highly recommend you to press the button, ask me this later, I will handle this later, because you cannot give a review for a course just after 1 minute from seeing content from it. Okay, you will leave a review if you want to, and if you have the time, and if you would have the pleasure at the end of the course if you liked it. Okay, so if you enjoyed the course, take your time and leave a rating, a review, but at the end it would be much appreciated from my behalf. Thank you very much for that in anticipation. Now, a little bit of networking. I am the adept that networking is the basis of all type of businesses, online, offline, classical, new type of businesses, and so on. So in the spirit of that idea, let's connect and have an interactive course and community. I think that is very important. We can create different partnerships, we can help each other, and so on. So go ahead and introduce yourself in the question dashboard, and please do not forget to add me on the social media account so we can keep in touch and communicate even more there. Okay, So guys, thank you very much for your attention. This was our brief introduction to the course. I hope you will enjoy the course. Pay very much attention. Do not hesitate to ask me anything in the question dashboard if you have any questions, and I wish you a lot of success. Bye bye for now. Sorin here.